Hello guys. So as you can see, I'm setting up my desk and I'm on the last part to set up the drawer. I'm just following the instruction that came with it at the box. And I figured out it's not in the instruction how to separate the part of the runner in order for me to attach at the drawer. I have to attach this part to the side and it's not in the instructions, so this might help. So as you can see, this runner has 3 parts, and there's a plastic stopper in order to stop the drawer coming out. So here, I'll show you. It has a plastic part over here. You just have to push it down. There you go. While pushing it down, you start to pulling it gently until it's coming out. There you go. And here on the other side, so there's also a stopper. So it's either you push up or you push down. You see if it will come out gently. Yeah, there you go. So yeah, so this thing, it stops. They put a plastic to stop. And yeah, so now I can attach this part to the side of the drawer and put it back so it smoothly go in. Okay.